It's essential that you clean your fridge regularly so it's hygienic and looking its best. Start by removing all the shelves and place them carefully onto the worktop to allow them to get up to room temperature. Then, remove the salad drawers and any other compartments. Wash the shelves and compartments in warm water with a neutral detergent and a soft cloth, and then leave to dry. Clean the inside of the fridge with a soft cloth and a specialist fridge cleaning spray, such as the AEG Fridge Care spray, which doesn't require rinsing. Be sure not to use any abrasive cleaning products, as this could cause damage. Then, wipe the door seals to make sure they are clean and free of debris. If need be, clean the outside of the fridge door with a soft cloth and Fridge Care spray, or a specialist steel spray, such as this one from AEG. Once all fridge shelves and accessories are dry, carefully put them back into position. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.